School is not built in a day, it is built every day with dreams, determination, and dedication. A very warm good evening to our respected trustees, dignitaries, parents, teachers, and my dear learners. As a founding member of SVM and as the academic coordinator, it fills my heart with immense pride to present the next segment of the annual report for the academic year 25-26. Today is not just a celebration of talent, but a celebration of effort, growth, and the spirit of SVM. At SVM, we believe that every learner carries within them a spark, and it is our responsibility to nurture that spark into brilliance. This year has been a testament to how far our learners can go when dedication meets opportunity. SVM has been making its mark across district, zonal, and state platforms. This year, we participated in wrestling for the first time. And what a debut it was. Our fierce contenders, Sneha Tare, Veda Kare, Asmi Zope, and Aryan More secured gold at the district level, standing tall on the wrestling mats with confidence and grit. In Taekwondo, our champion, Gauri Vilankar, clinched gold at the district level and advanced to the zonals. Aradhya Sawant displayed exceptional skill by winning gold at the taluka level. Our sporting excellence continued as 5 of our footballers, Inshra Kazi, Srujal Morie, Aradhya Sawant, Aradhya Hazare, and Ansh Gundecha qualified to represent the Ratnagiri district football team. In fencing, our rising star, Sahi Jadhav, delivered an impressive performance at the state championship in Uttarakhand and now proudly stands ranked 20 in India. The under-19 basketball team made a powerful testament at the district level with a commanding 48-0 victory, showcasing flawless teamwork and strategy. In athletics, our star performers, Parth Lingayat and Aryan More, brought home gold in hurdle race, running race, and long jump at the taluka level. The under-17 girls handball team, under the inspiring captainship of Ms. Zoya Bombal, scripted a memorable victory by clinching gold at the district level, rising from underdogs to undisputed champions. Our under-17 girls badminton team, Asmi Zope, Geet Gavankar, and Mihika Jadhav secured victory at the district championship and advanced to the zonals. Our under-14 boys team, Samar Salvi, Arkan Wagle, Varat Jagushte, Parth Apte, Pratyush Pete, and under-17 boys team, Yash Bongle, Dhananjay Ghosale, Jay Jain, Ruhan Parkar, and Ishan Suryavanshi further added glory with multiple golds across district, zonal, and state tournaments. In chess, Arya Karkare and Anushri Shivalkar won gold, Simin Kazi won silver, and Lili Mahajan won bronze. Breaking through the water into the spotlight, our swimmers Harshal Sawant and Siddhant Suryagandha made a strong mark at the district level, bringing home gold, silver, and bronze medals across various categories, representing SVM at the zonals. In the district shooting competition, Siddhant Suryagandha once again proved his caliber by clinching gold in the 10-meter pistol event. In gymnastics, our rising gymnast, Sanvi Tare, delivered an outstanding performance, bringing accolades to the school with grace, strength, and precision. SVM has been consistently shining in badminton, cricket, football, and athletic events, and proudly hosted the Khelo India football tournament for the learners of Ratnagiri. At the Kala Utsav 2025, organized by the Department of School Education and Sports, Maharashtra, our learners Sejal Salvi and Veda Kale represented SVM at the state level and jointly secured third prize in the 3D sculpture. In performing arts, Shravani Vayangankar upheld the grandeur of Indian classical music. Malhar Bapat mesmerized all with his flawless tabla recital. Nidhi Lanjekar captivated the audience with her graceful dance. Sohan Dhakne brought imagination to life through his vibrant artwork. Our duo, Nidhi Sawant and Tejaswini Kubade, secured first position in the group dance category with impeccable synchronicity. The school continued to nurture creativity through Kala Dalan, Ganpati making competitions, chess, carom, and badminton competitions, and our very own SVM's Got Talent, where learners showcased singing, dancing, and instrumental brilliance. Teaching computer science to our higher grades has given me a front row seat to witness the incredible transformation of our learners. From hesitant clicks to confident coding, I have seen technology become a language they speak fluently. Technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational. When I look back at our journey, from a small IT lab with 6 to 8 computers to a full-fledged modern ICT and robotics lab, I feel proud of how far SVM has come. I'm happy to report that both are now upgraded to the latest versions. In the robotics lab, our students design their own robots, some robots to assist, some to entertain, and a few experimental ones that I suspect secretly plot to avoid homework, just like their creators. Today, our learners are not just users of technology, they are creators, innovators, and problem solvers. From logo to Scratch, Python to Arduino, our students are exploring coding, automation, and real-world applications with curiosity and confidence. In our robotics lab, learners conceptualize and design their own robots, from assistive bots to creative prototypes, nurturing imagination and engineering thinking. Our 3D printer has opened the door to rapid prototyping, allowing students to bring digital ideas into tangible form, strengthening design thinking and hands-on learning. We are preparing our learners for a future shaped by AI, automation, and emerging technologies, whether it's robotics, coding, digital creativity, or computational thinking. SVM ensures that every learner is ready for the world ahead. Our reading and writing initiatives, book reflections, book talks, and creative writing continue to enrich young minds. A special mention to Swara Indulkar, Chahat Gandhi, and Siddhi Bhide, who participated in a creative writing contest by Read Bloom Books. Siddhi Bhide's story has been officially published, an incredible milestone for a young writer. In Olympiads and skill-based platforms such as SOF and LogicWiz, our learners showcased logical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Arav Sarunkhe, Shubhra Shinde, and Aditya Lad secured gold medals. Our mental math champions Ved Sawant and Param Surve topped the national level abacus competition held in Goa. As we celebrate these achievements, let us remember, success is not measured by the medals and the trophies we win, but by the challenges we overcome and the character we build. At SVM, we are not just educating children, we are empowering thinkers, dreamers, and leaders for tomorrow. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our trustees, principal ma'am, teachers, staff, and our wonderful parents for their unwavering support. And to my dear learners, you are the heartbeat of SVM. Your effort, enthusiasm, and spirit make this institution shine. Thank you, everyone.